Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Monday morning, December 15th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on OS Therapies, Inc., NYSTX, 3Q25. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated their coverage on OS Therapies, Inc., OSTX, highlighting key advancements in 3Q25. The company achieved a 2-year overall survival rate of 75% for OST-HER2, surpassing historical controls. They are now preparing for U.S. ex-U.S. filings with UK MHRA and FDA submissions expected by year-end. Additionally, OS Animal Health is set to become a standalone public company in 1H26. Regulatory progress includes FDA alignment on safety requirements and EMA support for conditional approval based on Phase 2b trial data. Financially, OS Therapies reported a net loss of $6.9 million for 3Q25, with cash and equivalents at $1.9. Valuation models project a range of $5.59 to $7.58 for OSTX, emphasizing the potential for re-ratings as new information emerges.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Cingulate Inc., CING, 3Q25. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated their coverage on Cingulate Inc. for the third quarter of 2025. Cingulate's progress with CTX 1301 for ADHD includes FDA acceptance of the NDA, positive Phase 3 data, and a commercial supply agreement. The company is preparing for a potential 2026 launch pending FDA approval. Their pipeline includes CTX 1302 and CTX 2103 for other indications. Financially, Seeing had $6.1 million in cash, with increased R&D and G&A expenses. A $6 million promissory note extends cash runway. Management changes include Brian Downey as Chief Commercial Officer. Valuation ranges from $15.29 to $31, with a midpoint of $21.86. BioUtah announces Aaron Berry as new board chair, welcomes new board appointments. BioUtah, Utah's trade association serving the state's life sciences community, announced Aaron Berry, Vice President of Government Affairs for Merit Medical Systems, as the new board chair, and Andrew Hemmert, Ph.D., Senior Vice President of Molecular Research and Development for BioMerieux, as the new vice chair, effective January 1st, 2026. Ms. Berry succeeds Mark Paul, Executive Director of the Center for Medical Innovation at the University of Utah. 3 new members have been appointed to the board: Jim Fitzgerald, CEO of ATL Technology, Tracy George, MD, Chief Scientific Officer and President, Innovation Business Unit, Arup Laboratories, and Chris Lowe, CEO of Nusano. The board thanks outgoing members Jay Muse, Michael Olson, and Miles Greenberg for their dedicated service. United Health Products provides corporate update. United Health Products, Inc. provided a status update on its discussions with the FDA regarding a warning letter issued in March 2025. The company submitted a response addressing violations and completed a post-audit of clinical trial data. FDA evaluated the response, requested additional information, and commented on plans for a new study. UHP disputes some findings and aims to resolve them in a conference before year-end. The company completed preclinical studies comparing Cellustat hemostat gauze to the standard of care, showing less risk of post-surgical complications. UHP plans to expand indications for use with a study on laparoscopic procedures. Cellustat is an all-natural product designed to control bleeding, seeking approval for the human surgical market.
GeoVax announces British Journal of Hematology publication highlighting superior T-cell responses of GeoCM4F1 in CLL patients. GeoVax Labs, Inc. announced the publication of interim Phase 2 clinical data on its next-generation COVID-19 vaccine in patients with chronic lymphocytic leukemia. The GeoCM04S1 vaccine demonstrated significantly stronger and more durable T-cell responses compared to the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine in CLL patients. Following the mRNA vaccine's failure to meet the primary endpoint, the trial will now exclusively proceed with GOCM04S1. This vaccine shows promise in addressing the immune limitations of immunocompromised individuals, with over 40 million U.S. adults and 400 million globally in need of better protection. GOCM04S1's dual antigen design promotes robust T-cell responses that are less impacted by immune dysfunction and viral variation, making it a potential solution for high-risk patients.
Combination pills for high blood pressure may simplify treatment, improve long-term health. Single pill medications that combine 2 or more blood pressure medications could simplify treatment for adults with high blood pressure, helping them achieve target levels faster. The use of combination medications is linked to lower risks of heart attack, stroke, and heart failure-related hospitalizations. More research is needed for those with higher cardiovascular risks. The new scientific statement emphasizes the benefits of single-pill combination therapy in managing hypertension, improving long-term heart health, and lowering costs for patients and the healthcare system. It highlights the importance of consistent medication intake and the potential for significant improvement in blood pressure control and overall health outcomes.
Experience comfortable teeth whitening in Clearwater, FL. Imagine Orthodontic Studio in Clearwater, FL offers comfortable and efficient teeth whitening treatments. With a focus on patient comfort, the expert team provides personalized care using the Zoom teeth whitening system, known for its rapid results. The studio's soothing atmosphere and high-quality materials ensure a pleasant experience, with long-lasting effects. Flexible scheduling options and comprehensive cosmetic dental services make Imagine Orthodontic Studio a premier destination for achieving a brighter, more confident smile. Patients benefit from increased confidence and self-esteem, as well as expert guidance on maintaining their results. Visit Imagine Orthodontic Studio to transform your smile and unlock your full potential. Experience comfortable teeth whitening in St. Petersburg, FL. Imagine Orthodontic Studio in St. Petersburg, FL offers Zoom teeth whitening treatments for a brighter smile. The studio prioritizes patient comfort, creating a relaxing atmosphere for the whitening process. With a focus on personalized care, the team ensures optimal results and safety for each individual. Zoom teeth whitening is quick, effective, and safe, providing noticeable results in just one session. Patients receive post-treatment guidance to maintain their brighter smile long-term. Choose Imagine Orthodontic Studio for a comprehensive and supportive teeth whitening experience in St. Petersburg, FL. Scissortail Orthodontics voted Best Orthodontist in Edmond, OK. Scissortail Orthodontics has been recognized as the best orthodontist in Edmond, OK, highlighting their dedication to excellence in orthodontic care. The practice offers a wide range of services, from traditional braces to clear aligners, tailored to meet individual needs. With a strong focus on patient care and community engagement, Scissortail Orthodontics has built a reputation for transforming smiles and prioritizing patient comfort. Led by a skilled orthodontist, the team is committed to ongoing education and patient empowerment through informed decision-making. The practice's commitment to excellence is reflected in positive reviews and testimonials, showcasing their dedication to providing top-notch care and achieving outstanding results. As they continue to grow, Scissortail Orthodontics remains focused on innovation, personalized care, and community impact, setting the standard for orthodontic care in Edmond and beyond.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.